Hi all, welcome back to another video of JavaScript. Today we are going to discuss about loop statements in JavaScript. We need to define what is loop. For writing program, sometimes we need the expressions or statements need to execute again and again. So in such situations, we need to write a loop statement to reduce the number of lines in our program. Here we have several types of loop: while loops, do while loop, then a for loop. In this class we are going to deal with a while loop. So it is to execute a statement repeatedly as long as an expression is true. So once the expression become false, the loop terminates. So here is the syntax: while, then followed by expression, then flower brace statements to be executed if expression is true. So if expression is false, the while loop cannot execute, it is terminated. So we are going to deal with the example. Here is the example. Now we have the basic tags HTML, body, heading that displays JavaScript while loop. Then one paragraph is there with ID demo to display the result here. Now we need two variables, var text, that is assigned to null. Then now we are going to declare another variable where I, that is initialized to 0. Here we are going to display from 0 to 9, that's why I is assigned to 0. Now while loop starts, while, then expression is I less than 10, then flower base. Here we going to execute the statement which is true. We know that I is equal to 0. So here we going to increment the text value. So that is assignment statement should be written like this: text plus equal to I. Here you want to display the statement, so statement should be in double quotes. The number is plus string operator, then I. We are going to display I. Now you need to increment the value, I value, that is I plus. So here we are done. Now you need to display this result. Now you need to close this. Here we are going to display the text: document dot get element by ID. What is the ID? Here we have the ID demo. Dot inner HTML equal to, we are going to display the text value. So here we put text. Then this is about while loop. Now run it. What is the problem? We put here line break here. I noticed one mistake. Here we need to put like text plus is equal to this value. I put I here, that's why some problem. Then run it. Here we have the result. The number is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So the execution is like this: expression, then statement. You need to remember we use the keyword while loop. And now we are going to deal with do while loop. It is similar to while loop. The difference is that first condition is executed, then a condition check happens at the last. This is the syntax: do statement to be executed, then after the flower brace we have the while expression. So we are going to discuss this in the previous example, that is while loop. So here we put do. After that we execute the same statements: text plus is equal to line break, then number is plus I, while I less than 10, I less than 10, then save it. Now execute it. Here is the result. There is no difference in the output, the difference in only the syntax part, statements, then checking it. So this is about JavaScript do while loop. Thank you.